Hey everyone and welcome to Mario's Kitchen. In this episode we're gonna make another Italian classic, tiramisu. But this is my mom's recipe, and in our house we all like a lot of chocolate. So this is gonna be full of chocolate chunks. About that, let's get to the kitchen. Alright, let's start with the ingredients. You're gonna need 150 grams of sugar, 5 eggs, 500 grams of mascarpone, around 200 grams of finger cookies, 200 grams of chocolate, a coffee, some cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. First things first, you're gonna take your chocolate and chop it really roughly. Leave it pretty big, it's gonna give an extra crunch to your tiramisu later on.
Oh, what just happened?
You heard?
Yeah, I heard. You okay?
Panic. Once that is done, go ahead and clean your working station. Knife.
What are you doing?
Take a couple of bowls and a whisk, cause it's time to make some cream. Also, you can use a kitchen robot to make it easy on you. For the cream, you're gonna put the sugar in a bowl, and to that you're going to add the 5 egg yolks. Keep 3 whites aside, because we're gonna need them later on. Once that is done, mix the sugar and the egg yolks until it's nice and soft and it's reached a whitish color. Back to the egg whites. 3 of them in a large bowl with a pinch of salt. Beat them until they reach stiff peaks. You're gonna notice when they reach stiff peaks because even when you put the bowl upside down, they're not gonna fall off of it. And back to the sugar mix.
But wait a minute, this kind of more. Why is it always like this?
Anyways, after that is ready, you can start slowly adding your mascarpone while still mixing, a spoon at a time until everything is fully incorporated, fluffy and thick. And there you go, cream.
Did you? A man just done broke a f***ing whisk machine. How you feel, man?
Sad. Mixing machine aside, now you need to add the egg whites to the mascarpone cream. If the whites are too soft, keep beating them until they're stiff again. After that, you're gonna add them in 2 times. First one half, always mixing from the bottom to the top to incorporate even more hair, and then the second half. And the cream is ready. Time to assemble. take back the other ingredients and keep them aside. You can both make single serving tiramisu, or you can make it in a bigger container if you're sharing it with friends. Now, start with a thin layer of your cream on the bottom to make sure that the first layer of biscuit sticks. After that, dip the cookies in the coffee and place them really tightly next to each other so that there's no space in between them. After that, you can add your chocolate chunks and cover it with some cream. Add some more chocolate, and that's a layer. Repeat the process for as many layers as you need. Of course, the process is still the same with the bigger batches as well. So now I'm just gonna clean a bit. After you're done layering, it's time to keep it in the fridge to rest, ideally for 3 hours, or if you're patient enough, till the day after. We weren't, so we're going to skip some time. Zawardo! Once they're nice and set, finish them off with some cocoa powder and enjoy your very own tiramisu. Sounded so moist, my guy. You don't have to. And that's about it. As I said, real quick and easy, and you can never beat Mama's recipe. Unfortunately, we lost a comrade today. Our mixing machine decided to die on us, but it will always be dearly remembered. On that note, I hope you'll enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time. Or we can skip that progress with Zawardo!